Hey, Kathleen here, and I am showing you this Zip It drain snake. There's not much to it, it's not very expensive, but oh my gosh, my plumber, when I told him that my sink was stopped up, he said, I'm going to save you hundreds of dollars, and he showed me this. So I grabbed it from Amazon, and it basically has these little like sawtooth stuff here, plastic pieces along that actually pulls things out and cuts things as you pull it up from your drain. So I am going to demonstrate this, and you're going to be amazed, and it's going to save you hundreds of dollars. Okay, so all I'm doing is sticking it down in here. Now I have obviously used toothpaste, mouthwash, washed my hands, some hair probably has gotten in there, but I also have braces, so some food has gotten stuck in my teeth, so I have stuff in there. So I'm not sure what I'm going to pull up, but you get it down in there, and as you pull up, it's going to be cutting things so that it's going to, whatever doesn't come up, it's going to get cut into pieces so that it can go down the drain. So let's see what it pulls up. Okay, so not too much. When I did this the first time when it was clogged, oh my gosh, it was disgusting, but so satisfying to get it cleared out. So you stick it down the different sides, and you just see what you can get. Now obviously you can do this in your tub also, and you're going to pull lots of stuff out. A lot of hair comes out in tubs as well. And then I'll do it down this third side. Okay, so it didn't pull out a ton of stuff. It wasn't clogged, but you can see that it did pull stuff out here, and it cuts. So whatever you don't now clean up out of here and throw in the trash is going to be cut and go down the drain.